Smokes? Smoke? Is that fire?
No, it's called kaingin in Tagalog.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
They burn the
Trash?
the dry
Dry leaves?
for so the
Sige, be, kaya mo yan, be. Kaya mo yan, anak. Go.
Kaya siguro yata ihatid.
My previous job, I always talk to the other foreigners.
Yun naman pala eh.
It's very cool. Thank you.
Smoking, no.
Away go. Ha?
Wow, the river so nice. See? Guys, the challenge is real. We are on our way to... What is the name of the falls again? Huh? Tagadan Falls. Yes. We just start walking down with the gang here.
May mga nagtitinda dyan sa baba.
Ah, sige lang. Kasi magugutom kami mamaya.
Dayon, malapit na tayo. Kuya, magkano ang western mo dito? Ay, nakapagpapin. Hindi mabiyak ng mga limang. Diyos ko.
The Pagadan Falls already. I'm gonna show you the falls going down. How cliff it is down there. So there's a staircase, cemented part.